Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. Today is Hangar Flying, episode 12, July 23rd, 2021, and we have progress on the Project Tiger coming for you. As you can see from the photos, the engine is off the airplane and in the engine shop, so stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Well, as you remember from the last time we gave you a project report on the Project Tiger, we were taking things off the engine. We took the propeller off, the alternator off, the starter off, the bafflings off, the exhaust. We were taking all that off to get down to the core engine. The only thing we're leaving on the engine is the mechanical fuel pump. And as part of that work over last weekend, after the last report came out, the engine has been taken off the airplane. It was put in the back of the truck. And then the other day, we were able to take it over to the engine shop. And we are very fortunate at Butler County because we have an engine shop now on the field, Triple V Engine Services. They also have a test run stand. So they're going to take our engine, they're going to perform a teardown inspection, replace all the bearings, blah, 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 put it back together, run it on the test stand, make sure that everything's working properly, we don't have any leaks or anything. Then it will come back to us with a logbook entry, and it will go into the records of the aircraft, and we'll hang it on the aircraft. And then now we begin the real fun project of getting the airplane ready to go to the avionics shop to have all new panel put in. But here's a little video of an engine running on a test stand. It will not be a video of my engine running on the test stand for the Project Tiger, but this kind of gives you an idea of what they're doing, and they're using the real propeller, and it's to provide the run-in for the new components. And then after you do the engine run, now this one's only for a couple of minutes, but we're going to have the Project Tiger. It's usually run between 2 and 3 hours. At the end of that time, an oil analysis is done, as well as a look in the filters to make sure there's no metal being generated. And then new oil goes back in, it gets put on the airplane, and then you continue it until you have 25 hours for the next oil change. So that's the break-in and run-in. We've already done a video on that. So enjoy this look at this engine running for a minute. We'll be back with you when we close. Stand by. So that's where we are on the Project Tiger. Engine at the engine shop, and it's a big hurdle. We're looking forward to come back to get on the airplane so we begin all the other work of getting the airplane finally put together, be an annual, and get it ready for sale. So thanks for watching. Hope you found all this useful and informative, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I would throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.